Right here's what the redesigned Apple iPad mini the 6th of May appear to be. And replaced to Apple's iPad mini has been rumored for a while, however thus far, it has but to launch. That is perhaps about to alter although, as a brand new leak has given us a take a look at what it may appear to be primarily based on sources and schematics. The renders come from John Prosser in affiliation with Renders by Ian, and whereas Prosser's observed report is not the very best on the market, the redesign proposed within the renders does make sense, even when there could also be a little bit of wishful considering concern. Primarily based on the renders, the iPad mini 6, or iPad mini, 2021, may have squared edges, like the newest iPad Air and iPhone 12 fashions. In a nutshell, it is just about the iPad Air however smaller. In accordance with Prosser, the iPad mini 6 will measure 206 by 137.8 by 6.1 millimeters, making it a bit taller and wider than its predecessor, however providing a bigger show inside an analogous footprint because of narrower bezels and the removing of the residence button. Just like the iPad Air, its claimed Contact ID will transfer to the Ability button on the high moderately than the system providing Face ID just like the iPad Professional fashions. It is also stated the iPad mini the 6th of May have USB-C on the backside, with 2 audio system, and it is stated it is going to help Apple Pencil, which is perhaps smaller than the present choices. Prosser additionally claims the iPad mini 6 will run on the A14 chip and provide 5G connectivity. The iPad mini 6 is alleged to launch earlier than the top of 2021 in black, silver and gold, although there is no such thing as an indication as to precisely when, or even when.